Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Walters here, and today we're going to do a fun little drawing lesson. I'm going to teach you how to draw some sweet little springtime birds, and we're also going to talk about two special groups of colors. The first group of colors I want to talk to you about are the warm colors, okay? And the warm colors are red, orange, and yellow. Those are our three warm colors, okay? Then we've got the cool colors, and the cool colors are green, blue, and purple, okay? Look at when I put them all up there together, we've got our rainbow, okay? So these colors are going to be featured in our art project today. And what we're going to do is learn how to draw these sweet little springtime birds, okay, sitting on lines. So we've got our birds that are up here on our top horizontal line. Our top birds are all colored in with our warm colors. So red, orange, yellow. Our birds on the bottom horizontal line are colored in our cool colors, green, blue, and purple, okay? So boys and girls, what you need for this lesson today is a piece of paper and a pencil and something to trace these birds with. I used just an empty roll of toilet paper for these 6 birds. You could also ask for a little help around the house. Maybe there's something else you can find that you can put down and trace, okay? Just something so that all 6 circles are the same size, okay? And they're not too big. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is draw 2 horizontal lines, okay? 2 horizontal lines that go straight across your paper. So you've got one at the bottom and one closer to the middle of your paper, okay? Once you have your 2 lines drawn, then you take your object to trace for your circles. Hold them down really good. If you make a little mistake, that's okay. Okay, just trace them as best as you can. Once you have those 2 horizontal lines drawn and you have your circles traced, all right, it's going to look something like this. All right, now we need to draw our birds. So we need to turn these circles into 6 birds, okay? So you can see right here, to draw the bird's legs, okay? 2 straight lines that go down and 3 little lines like that. We're gonna do that for all the legs on our birds, okay? So that means 1 line straight down and then 3 little lines. We're gonna do that with all of our birds. Some birds may be taller than other birds, okay, and some may be shorter, and that is just fine. They're all going to be different. They don't all have to look exactly the same. Okay, after we have our little legs drawn, now we're going to draw our beaks. So I have the center birds with the beaks pointing up, like they're looking up at the sky. So that would be an upside down V, okay, just a sharp upside down V. We're going to see both eyes, okay, because they're looking up at the sky. All right, we're going to have we're going to see 2 wings here. All right, in order to make those wings, this was a little bit tricky. You're going to do another upside down V over here, and then you're going to make curves. All right, you're going to have 1, 2, 3 curved lines. Do the same thing here. Upside down V, and then 1, 2, 3 little curved lines, okay? You can go in with an eraser and erase that circle part right there, okay, from the circle. Now, my bird that's over on the right, he's going to be looking at the bird in the middle, see what's going on. So his beak is facing the bird in the middle. It is a sideways V, right? We're only going to see 1 eye. This is a profile. So we just see one side of the bird. We see 1 eye. We are going to see 1 wing, okay? 3 curved lines, and we're going to see his tail feathers over like this. Oh, I forgot his tail feathers. So I need to do 1, 2, 3. Little curve right there. His little tail's off to the side. All right, so this bird over here on my left, I need to draw 1 eye, and he's looking at that bird in the middle too. Okay, so we're going to do 1, 2, 3 curves for the wing, and then 1, 2, 3 curves for the tail feathers, okay? Do the same thing down here, all right? So our beak is facing up. He's looking at the birds on the wire above them. And again, those little side wings, it is an upside down V with the 3 curved lines. And don't forget that little tail feather right there. And then erase those lines right there. Now this little bird over here, he's looking over at that middle bird and looking up just a little bit. So we've got our eye, we've got the wing right there, little tail feathers, and then this little bird, he's looking over in the middle Okay, one wing, and our curves for our tail feathers, okay? Now, like I said, some birds can be taller and some can be shorter, all right? They don't all have to be the same height. You can make them just a little bit different, okay? All right, the next thing you're gonna do is, if you have a marker at home, a Sharpie, you can outline your birds with a Sharpie. If you don't have a Sharpie, that's no problem. If you are going to use the Sharpie, please remember to put scrap paper underneath there when you do your outlining, okay? When it's time to color in your birds, you can use colored pencils, you can use markers, you can use crayons, okay? I just went through my crayon box and picked out my cool colors and my warm colors and got to work coloring, okay? Then I found a tan color and I used that for my little beaks on my birds, okay? So that is it. That is our drawing lesson for our sweet little springtime birds. So have fun, boys and girls, okay? See you soon. Bye.